Welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to control both a 7-segment display and a 16:2 LCD screen with an Arduino. We will be displaying numbers from 0 to 9 on both displays simultaneously, allowing you to understand how to work with both digital and LCD displays in a single project. Here are the components we'll be using in this project. Arduino Uno 7-segment display 16:2 LCD with I2C interface, resistors, jumper wires, breadboard circuit diagram LCD connected via I2C to Arduino. Pins 2 to 8 on the Arduino connected to the segments of the 7-segment display. Code explanation, on-screen text or voiceover. Let's walk through the code. LCD initialization. We begin by importing the required libraries for I2C in the LCD. The LCD is initialized with its I2C address, 0x27, and configured for 16 columns and 2 rows. 7-segment display setup. The segments of the 7-segment display are connected to pins 2 to 8 on the Arduino. Each pin is set as an output in the setup function. Displaying numbers. Displaying numbers in the loop function, the numbers 0 to 9 are displayed one by one on both the 7-segment display and the LCD screen. Each number stays on the display for 3 seconds. We use the display number function to light up the appropriate segments for each number on the 7-segment display. Working project demo, on-screen demo. Now, let's see the project in action. Watch as the numbers are displayed on both the 7-segment display and the LCD screen. Notice how each segment of the 7-segment display lights up to form the corresponding digit, and the LCD provides a clear display of the same number. That's it for today's project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more awesome Arduino tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future projects. See you in the next video.